Hey guys, so today I'm going to review this home gym setup that I bought from Amazon.com for around 5,000 rupees, and the brand said it was Bull Bar, but I don't think there is any actual brand in this. It's just the companies they are naming it anything. It's the same stuff you ordered it from any brand. So I got it from Amazon. It's on Flipkart and other websites also. You can get it locally also. So these weights you see are of PVC. What's PVC? PVC is a plastic. So it's like a plastic shell filled with sand. They work. They just work. I won't say they are really good or anything. Even the weight of the plates does not match exactly, but it's doable. It's not like it's a drastic difference. It will work. The other thing is I got this 5 feet chest rod, which you can use for a chest, biceps and shoulder press and deadlifts, back, everything. And then the second rod I got was this easy bar rod. It's like a 3 feet rod, and it's also good for your biceps and triceps. And then I got this adjustable dumbbell rod. It's adjustable, you see, but I will tell you something, it does not adjust at all. It just doesn't. So what's the problem? The problem is that the grip is good, everything is good. I would say it's good, it's designed really good, but the issue comes in this nut. You see, this nut is made of plastic completely. I'm having issues focusing. I don't know why my camera is not focusing properly, but we can see it, so I'll just do it like this only. So the issue is this thing is plastic. So I got the weights. I thought I could change the weights and have multiple weight options, but the thing was I used it 2 times and this thing stripped to the point that it was slipping. So what I did, I applied some tape and then fixed it here. So if you, this will work great, just keep a single weight in it, don't change the weight. If you want to change the weight, just buy a new setup. So I bought these separately for 400-500 rupees, and these are metal ones and they work great. So if you want changing weight dumbbell, so you should buy a separate set. This is not that good. It's for one time use only. Just put the weight in it, lock it in, and just forget about it and use it daily. It won't give you any issues. The second thing is the rod is really strong. I would say it does not bend. It is okay quality, everything is okay, but you know what's the issue? It's really skinny. I'll just show you how skinny it is. You see my thumb and the rod, it's that skinny. So that's an issue, but no problem, it works. What can we do? You see the blade, these are the plates, PVC plates. It's plastics filled with sand. You have this cap here. These plates are also okay. I would say, yeah, people bag on them a lot, but there is no issue with it. You just have to use it for what it is. Of course, it's not a perfect weight. It's a few grams up and under. The sizes are not perfect, but it works. It's not a drastic difference. And the other issue is, a lot of people say they break, but it's not like, of course it will break. It's a plastic filled with sand. If you drop it hard, it will break, but if you keep it slowly and calmly, it won't break. I've been using my setup for like 3-4 months now, and none of my plates have broken or leaked. Everyone is like, my plate leaked, my plates are leaking sand, I have to reseal them, they broke, they cracked. They won't if you use them for what they are. Use them wisely, gently, and it won't hurt. And I got these clips. I got 4 of these clips. You see, these clips are great, I would say, for price, for everything. These are really good. And don't use this rod, that rod without this clip. It will hurt you because these weights have no grip. It's plastic, it's really slippery. It's really difficult to hold these plates like this also, because it's that slippery. It's clear plastic, there is no rubber gripping on it, so it will fall. no matter how carefully you lift your weight, this thing will slip and fall from this rod if there is no grip. That's why they've given 4 grips, and grips are really good. They work great, just use them. The other thing is this bench. So the main reason I bought this was the bench, because for 5,000 rupees I am getting, you see, 6 5 kg plates, 4 3 kg plates, and 2 2 kg plates. That's right around 40 kgs, over 40 kgs. That's great. So that's the reason I bought it. No, that's not 40. I think this is 30. That's 12, and that's 850. It's 50 kgs. So that's great. 50 kgs of weight. And this bench, and this is an adjustable bench. You have this level, and you have inclined, and you have declined. All of the stuff works on it. So you just have to lift it up. That's the rod. You move out the rod, and you can change the position. These are also adjustable. You can take that also. So the bench was the main reason for buying it. For this price, I don't think you can get this much setup. But the issues with the bench are, I will tell you something. You see those 2 legs and this leg. So that's all that's holding this bench. So this bench moves a little bit. You see, this thing moves from its position like this. Not a great concern, but anyone who's using it for the first time will be scared to use it. That's the thing. And the other thing is this bench. You see, this also wobbles a bit, because again it's a single joint and single rod. I can guarantee you it won't break that easily, but it's not that great. You see, a single rod resting on that thing. So it moves like this. You see, it moves, but it's not a big problem. It will work. You can make do with it. It's not for heavy duty use, but you can use it at home, no problem. The other 2 things I got it with were this gripper. I don't know what to do with it, just something novelty. And these gloves, never used them, never gonna use them. So that's all the stuff I got with it. Now I would say it's okay for the price. What else can you expect from 5,000 rupees? 50 kg of weight, 2 rods, dumbbells, and an entire bench which can be used for almost all exercises: chest, back, and shoulder. So that's it. I would say thank you for watching this video. And yeah, this is also good. The cushioning is okay. It's not that bad. It has foam inside it. It's solid wood. Okay, that's good. So that's this gym review. I would say it's good for home. Use it wisely. The main issue everyone bitches about is the weights, and I would say the weights are what you pay for, and they will work if you handle them nicely. See, this is the weight. If you keep it like this, there's no issue, but if you just throw it on the ground, it will break, because it's plastic. It's hollow, man. It's a container. It's not an actual weight. It's like a container filled with sand. So keep that in mind. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys.